Want to know the secret to getting people to click on your videos? Today, I'm going to walk you through the blueprint of crafting irresistible titles and thumbnails. Let's dive into the psychology behind what makes viewers click and stick around. The title is everything. Think about it. Titles are often the first impression people have of your video. Here's what makes a title click-worthy. Use questions to trigger curiosity. This video asks simple question. Just reading that title pulls you in, doesn't it? You immediately start imagining what might happen if you were to plunge into this mysterious blue planet. Now that we've captured attention, let's dive deeper into how to build titles that keep viewers hooked till the end. Create a title that promises a journey, something like, "The wildest experience of my life." Look at that video. It's a perfect example of a title that hooks you by promising an exciting journey. Just from the title, you can tell it's about a unique, personal challenge. Now, let's talk about thumbnails. A good thumbnail has the power to pull viewers in instantly. First, face expressions. Showing surprise or excitement really grabs attention and makes viewers curious. Next, familiar objects. These help your video feel relatable and recognizable at a glance. And finally, contrast and color. Bright colors tend to attract younger viewers, while darker tones appeal to a more mature audience. Just pick the colors that match your channel's vibe. Finally, make sure the title, thumbnail, and intro are all connected.